What kind of vehicle would you choose if you would be living a life on the road? Would you choose a big camper van or simply your own car? Or maybe a classic? But what about a Tesla? Yes, so this is happening. For the next 12 days I'm gonna be living in a Tesla Model X. So basically a proper road trip, I mainly start off with organizing everything and thinking about what I need. So for this trip I brought some of the stuff that I already own. For example, a cooler box, some forks and knives, paper, toilet paper, a hammock in case I want to sleep outside underneath the stars. I have like cooking stuff. This bag is all camera equipment, because I want to film a lot of stuff and show it to you guys. In this bag they're all clothes. Oh yeah, also a little cooker so I can cook on the way. And yeah, I think that's about it. Sleeping stuff we're gonna sort out later, I'm gonna show you. But for now, what I want or what I need is food. Food is always priority, man. So yeah, let's go shopping. Alright, so the first shopping tour is done. I got some snacks. I'm actually not really going off the grid for the next 3 days, so that should be enough. I got all the cool stuff in here. So now it's time to sort out the whole sleeping situation.
Do like this, and then I will just throw this stuff there.
Ah, these are the pillows.
Yeah, and they are special because they have to do
everything is special on this.
Yeah. This is some serious sheets. You drag it up and then you hit them. Yeah. There you go. It's your dream case bed.
Wow, I'm so excited to sleep here. This is my bedroom for the next 12 days. Well, yeah, I think I found a good spot for the night. Good morning. So, I had a proper night of sleep. I slept for like 8 hours. And yeah, look at the view. There's nothing better to wake up to a view like this. Alright, so I think there's a lake over there, so I might go for a swim, for a good old morning swim. Yeah. It's paradise, but this is snow, so it's gonna be really chilly. What the hell am I doing? Well, yeah, so I guess that's probably the only way I'm able to take showers on this trip. And it was actually, honestly, it was not that bad. I was expecting it worse. Oh wow, so actually this swimming session just kicked off this adventure. I'm so excited for the next 10 days living like this. Yeah, I'm on the way south to France and Italy. Gonna do some off-road adventure there. But yeah, definitely stay tuned and I'm excited to show it to you. Yes!